Hello, I am Sissy, welcome to Easypezy. Machines are examples of how technology has made human work easier, tidy, efficient, and satisfying. The use of these machines helps increase productivity and saves time for humans. Here are the top 10. Number 1. Automatic planting machine. Number 2. Fabric rolling tool. Number 3. Car monitor installation. Number 4. Automatic hydrant machine. Number 5. Conveyor for car body painting. Number 6. Football playing robot. Number 7. Gasoline suction trick. Number 8. Razor factory machine. Number 9. How your gallon is made at home. Number 10. Car roof installation machine. Number 11. Smart worker. Number 12. Creating intelligence in the future. Number 13. Automatic tire installation machine. Well, those were the amazing fast-working machines. Please subscribe to the Easypezy channel for more interesting content. Adios.